Have you ever wondered why some people seem to have a magic touch when it comes to wealth, while others struggle to make ends meet? Today, we're going to unveil the secrets and provide powerful tips to help you break through those financial barriers and level up your wealth. 1. The power of budgeting. Ever wondered how the wealthy stay wealthy? It all starts with mastering your money. A robust budgeting plan is not just about tracking your expenses, but about understanding your financial habits and making intentional choices. The key is to categorize your spending and set realistic limits. Now, many people fall into the trap of being too rigid, which can lead to frustration and eventually giving up on budgeting altogether. The trick is to allocate funds for your indulgences too, ensuring you enjoy life while staying on track. And remember, regular reviews and adjustments are crucial as your financial situation and goals evolve over time. So, what's the common mistake you might be making? Not accounting for irregular expenses. These can throw your entire budget off balance if not planned for. Stay tuned as I share how to seamlessly integrate these into your budgeting strategy and pave your way to financial freedom. 2. Investing 101. Now let's delve into making your money work for you. Investing can seem like a labyrinth, but with the right guidance, it's a powerful tool for wealth accumulation. The first step is understanding your risk tolerance and investment horizon. It's vital to start with low-risk investments and gradually move to more diverse portfolios. Many beginners shy away, fearing they need hefty sums to start, but that's a myth. You can start investing with as little as $50, thanks to various online platforms. The real secret weapon? Compound interest. It's the phenomenon where you earn interest not just on your initial investment, but also on the accumulated interest over time. This is why starting early, even with small amounts, can lead to substantial growth over the long term. So, are you ready to unlock the world of investing? Up next, I'll reveal the top beginner-friendly platforms that demystify the investment process. 3. Building an emergency fund. Security should always walk hand in hand with growth. An emergency fund is your financial safety net, designed to cover unexpected expenses without derailing your budget. The goal is to have 6 months worth of living expenses tucked away. It might seem like a daunting task, but starting small and consistently saving can get you there. This fund should be easily accessible, but not so easy that you're tempted to dip into it for non-emergencies. Now here's a personal story. A few years back, an unexpected medical emergency hit me, and without my emergency fund, I would have been in a financial turmoil. This experience was a real eye-opener about the importance of being prepared. In the next segment, I'll share tips on how to build and manage your emergency fund effectively, ensuring you're ready for whatever life throws your way. 4. Understanding credit. Credit can open doors when managed wisely, but it can also become a slippery slope if not. Your credit score is a reflection of your financial responsibility, and it influences loan approval, interest rates, and even job prospects. The first step to good credit is understanding how it works. Make timely payments, keep your credit utilization low, and regularly check your credit report for any discrepancies. But here's the kicker. Even closing old accounts can negatively impact your score. It reduces your total available credit, which can increase your utilization ratio, and it shortens your credit history. In the next part, I'll delve into common credit myths and how to navigate them, ensuring your credit works in your favor. 5. Side hustles and passive income. Escalating your income is a game changer, and side hustles are a potent tool for that. From freelancing to drop shipping, there are endless opportunities, but it's crucial to choose a hustle that aligns with your skills and schedule. Passive income, on the other hand, requires an upfront investment of time or money, but it can lead to earnings with minimal ongoing effort. Think dividend stocks or rental income. Now, here's the catch. Not all side hustles or passive income streams are lucrative. It's vital to do your research and be wary of get-rich-quick schemes. In the coming segment, I'll guide you through evaluating and choosing the right side hustle, ensuring your extra effort truly pays off. 6. Cutting unnecessary expenses. Ever feel like your money just disappears by the end of the month? You're not alone. Many of us fall into the trap of mindless spending, not realizing how small expenses can add up. It's time to take a proactive approach and scrutinize your spending habits. Start by categorizing your expenses and identifying which ones are essential and which ones you can live without. Common money drains include unused subscriptions, eating out frequently, and impulsive online shopping. It's important to differentiate between wants and needs, and to cut back on non-essential spending. Remember, it's not about deprivation, but about making smart financial choices. To aid you in this journey, budgeting apps can be invaluable. They track your spending in real time, helping you stay within your means. And don't go anywhere. Up next, I'm going to introduce you to a budgeting app that's a game changer in managing your finances. 7. Negotiating your salary. Let's talk about a subject that can significantly impact your financial well-being: your income. Many people assume that their salary is non-negotiable, but that's far from the truth. Effectively negotiating your salary is a critical skill that can lead to substantial financial growth over your career. It's important to do your homework, understand your worth, and communicate your accomplishments confidently. Remember, timing is key. Approach the negotiation when you have leverage, such as after a successful project or during a performance review. However, avoid ultimatums and maintain a collaborative tone. And here's a tip: never say "I need" during a negotiation. Instead, focus on your value and contributions. Stay tuned as I reveal more do's and don'ts of salary negotiation and how to master this crucial skill. 8. Financial education. In the world of finance, knowledge truly is power. Understanding the basics of budgeting, investing, and credit can set you on the path to financial stability and growth. But where do you start? There are a plethora of resources available, ranging from books and online courses to podcasts and blogs. However, not all information is created equal. It's important to seek out reputable sources and be wary of get-rich-quick schemes. The good news is there are plenty of free resources that offer valuable, trustworthy information. From government websites to non-profit financial education organizations, the knowledge you need is at your fingertips. And guess what? In just a moment, I'm going to share some of my personal favorite resources that have helped countless individuals, just like you, skyrocket their financial literacy. 9. Setting financial goals. Setting financial goals is like having a GPS for your finances. It provides direction and keeps you on track. But how do you set goals that are both realistic and motivating? First, be specific about what you want to achieve and set a clear timeline. Whether it's saving for a down payment on a house, building an emergency fund, or paying off debt, having a clear target in mind makes it more achievable. Next, break your goal down into smaller, manageable steps. This makes the journey less daunting and allows you to celebrate small victories along the way. And don't forget to regularly review and adjust your goals as needed. Life is unpredictable, and your financial goals should be flexible enough to accommodate changes. So, are you ready to set goals that propel you towards financial success? Stick around as I share the secret to creating a solid financial plan that aligns with your goals. 10. Seeking professional advice. Managing finances can be complex, and sometimes it's wise to seek guidance from professionals. Financial advisors are trained to help you make informed decisions, tailored to your unique financial situation. But how do you find a trustworthy advisor? Start by asking for recommendations from friends or family, or look for advisors with reputable certifications. It's important to choose an advisor who is transparent about their fees and has a fiduciary duty, meaning they are legally required to act in your best interest. Now, here's a myth. Financial advisors are only for the wealthy. That's simply not true. There are advisors who cater to all income levels and can provide valuable guidance, whether you're just starting out or are well on your way to financial independence. So, don't shy away from seeking professional advice. It could be the key to unlocking your financial potential. We've ventured through the world of financial barriers, unlocking powerful strategies and insights that can elevate your financial game. Remember, wealth isn't just about money. It's about mindset, strategy, and perseverance. If you're thirsty for more knowledge, be sure to check out our other video, Levels of Wealth, which we delve further, shift paradigms, and bridge the gaps in your financial journey. Until we meet again, remain vigilant, seek opportunities, and break through every barrier that stands in your way.